Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the automatic timetable generator using Python. So let's run the python space manage.py space run server file. So it will generate the one URL. We have to paste that URL in any browser. So let's paste, and it will open the home page. Like you can see the complete web page. Here are different options, like you can add the professor. You can just, if you click on the add professor, then it will open the entry blocks, or you can also edit the professor detail, like, and these are the room, like add room and edit room. Okay, if you click on edit, then you can just edit the room details. This is the class timing. You have to enter all the detail, like PID, time and day. Okay, and if you click on the edit class time, then it will open the PID, day and timing. So this is the course detail, like you can enter all the details. These are the department details, like these are the sections, like section ID, department and number, class in weeks. This is the edit section, and this will be the home page. This is the complete project. If you find out, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel, share with your friend. Thank you.